Okay, hey guys, TechyTutorials here with the Sony Vegas tutorial. It's actually more of an introduction, so Sony Vegas basics, which I said I would be making for beginners, which will help them just to get familiar with the Sony Vegas product and program. Okay, so first thing, let's just get familiar with everything here and the layout. Now your layout may look different to this, it may look the same. Your windows may be all over the place. You might have windows up here, you might, and it's basically what I want to show you is first of all how to move all of these. You come to these dots here, you click it and you drag it. As simple as it sounds. And then you just bring it back. You can also resize it when you see your cursor change to this. Resize it like this, you can drag this down, etc, etc. Now to add windows or to take away windows, we're going to go to the third button at the top left of the program called View, and from here we can see a list of all the windows that we are using and all of them that we are not using. We can also select them. They might pop up in a window and you can move them in then. I'm going to keep my layout pretty basic for this tutorial, but there are also shortcuts which you can use, but we won't get into them at the moment. They're just beside here. You can click Alt 0, Okay, so next thing is just basically how to play back. So down here we have the play from start. So even if you pause it here, if you click it here, it'll go back to the start. If you pause it and press this button, it's just a play button as usual, and the play on. And stop button, you're familiar with that. This will go to the start and this will go to the end. Now that's just to enable the loop, and I usually keep that ticked just so it doesn't just keep playing on in blank screen. Okay, so let's get familiar with this window here because you use this window a lot. So media generators. This basically consists of things that you will be using a lot, especially solid color. And the prototype titler, you can use it, which is a text noise texture that can be used for a lot of effects. Credit roll, color gradients, they're nice. And you have different designs there under checkerboard. Then you have this test pattern here, which is very popular. And text, I'll show you how to put in text in a minute. And then down here, go to your video effects. Now as you can see, you can scroll down here a lot. I'll make this bigger. These are all the effects you can add. And to add an effect, you can just click on add noise, extreme. You click it and you drag it onto the clip you want to apply it on. A window will pop up where you can customize the actual special effects, and when you play that back, obviously it will be noise or TV static or whichever you want to call it. Now, so that's basically for video effects. To remove one that you have added, you come down here to the event effects. You can see that you have the add noise here. Go ahead and click the remove selected plugin. Now if you want to change this color here, or if you have another text or picture or video here, what you can do is go into generated media. That will pop up this little box here from where you can change the color, the transparency. You can also use the eyedropper to get a color from somewhere. And you can enter your own values here, but you won't be doing that. Now down here, this is called keyframing. I have a separate tutorial for that, which I will link somewhere in this video as a red box. But you can go and watch that if you want to learn more about keyframing, which is basically this here. How these colors change at the top right. Or how it's not just colors, it's how maybe zooming in or things like that. So now back to this, we have our transitions window. Here we have a simple window with transitions that we can put between clips. So let's say I have a white one here. Now we're going to go to transitions. We're going to go to cross effect. We'll drag this down to the start of the white clip. You can customize that if you wish. Then once this plays on, and it will fade in. There's tons of different transitions there. Now project media, this includes everything that you've used in your project or your video so far, which is very handy if you're using, say, a song or something and you delete it by accident, or you want to loop it back. You can come back up here, drag it down. Explorer, this is where you can explore it through your computer. I don't use that too much, I generally use the open. So guys, tons of tutorials out there. If you don't know about something, or if you need help, or if you'd like a tutorial on something, leave a comment so I can help you guys out. Comment, mail, I reply to all of my mail. Well, you know, if you need help. So yeah, go ahead and mail me if you have any problems. I reply to all of my mail when people need help. And if you have any requests, go ahead and send them on. I've made a couple of tutorials from requests. More tutorials on the way. I'm a bit busy, but I'm trying to get them out there. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. See you guys soon. Alright guys, thanks. Subscribe and like if you liked it, and go ahead and comment on it. Thanks guys.